For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is Bosch PS31-2A drill. It has professional grade power at an incredibly lightweight, which is just over 2 pounds. This performance to weight ratio makes this tool a great solution for electricians, plumbers or contractors who do a great deal of over-the-head drilling or driving. It is rated at 265 inches lbs of torque, meaning that this small but mighty unit can be the primary go-to tool for most professional screw driving, removal or drilling applications. This drill driver combo has 2 speeds, 0 to 350 rpm and 0 to 1300 rpm, and 20+1 clutch settings, allowing users to make precise torque adjustments for accurate screw driving and drilling. The cordless drill driver boasts integrated LED lights for improved visibility, allowing you to work anywhere, anytime, even in dark corners and low-light areas. Overall, highly recommended. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.